Hey guys, welcome back to the Note Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to log in or sign in your Apple account, you may face this type of error that verification failed and unknown error occurred. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just click here, and first of all, you may click here on forget your password, and then guys, you may put your Apple ID, and then you may reset your password from here, and then you may check your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, then guys, you may go back and you may open any browser, and in search bar you may write here appleid.apple.com, and then you may open this website from here. So you may check as now you may click here on sign in from here. After that, you may put here your email address, and then you may activate your account from here. If your problem is still not fixed by this method, then guys, you may open any browser again, and in search bar you may write here support.apple.com, and you may contact to Apple support team directly. So you may click here on iPhone or any other gadget which you are using, then you may scroll it down, and here you may see that here is the option of get started. So you may just click here, and then you may just wait for some seconds, guys. Now here you may click here on more, you may click here on App Store, then click here on continue. Now you may scroll it down, and here the option of get more help. So you may click here and click here on call us. So in some countries here you will see two options, call or chat. So you may select anyone from here. These numbers will be shown. These numbers are different according to your country region. So you may contact to Apple support team on these numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.